There was a recent study by the Smithsonian that found that your bacteria on your pillowcase is actually indistinguishable from that found on a toilet seat. Pretty gross. But that's what got me thinking about how do you create a benefit from a fabric or garment, something that's in contact with your skin for 7-8 hours a day. Why can't you deliver a benefit from your sock or from your t-shirt or from your pillowcase while you're sleeping? And so what I did was started researching patents and eventually got introduced to a brilliant drug delivery scientist, and he had a way of applying an active ingredient to a yarn. And that's the foundation for this company.
The TexDel project is really unique in that they came to us with a product that it's totally revolutionary. It can fundamentally change not just the industry, but there's a lot of things that would change in our lifestyle.
We had a really cool technology. We had a way to solve it. We thought we were done. And we sent a very small package of yarn on a 4x4 tube. And we sent it to North Carolina and thought, hey, this is gonna work, we're done, let's celebrate, off the champagne.
Because when the first sample came in, it was on literally a piece of PVC pipe.
First of all, they were very reluctant to even run it because it was nothing like what they're used to. And they did run it to their credit. So we engaged MSC Services actually while we were in Seattle. And what we did is we sent them product to test and validate, but we didn't realize how much work actually had to be done. We didn't realize how much yarn it takes to make a sock or to make a t-shirt. It takes miles and miles of yarn to even make one sock. And we didn't understand the complexities of the textile industry.
We basically had to get some folks out of retirement to kind of get them started, and gradually, slowly but surely, we worked with the Textile Center down at Gaston College. We had other partners. I think the Polymer Center helped us, which is another piece of the MEP network.
The ability for us to take a package of yarn off our line out there, walk it down the hall and get it knit, and then walk it down another hallway to get tested and validated was something you can't get anywhere else. What happens when you have to wash the sock or bleach it or dye it? How does that affect the performance of the sock? That's all testing that they can do here and has sped up our time to market tenfold by actually being in the building. A lot of the cost savings that we've experienced here have been primarily a result of the expertise and the experience that we get here. For example, we were going to have to buy a $250,000 piece of equipment that we thought we needed to commercialize this technology. And we got here and they said, whoa, 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 you don't need that. I mean, instantly, it's stuff like that where the experience tells you what to do. As a result of our relationship with MSC, we've been able to, one, get a grant for $200,000 plus to help us develop this line. We've also been able to raise through angel investors, the Charlotte Angel Fund, a couple other strategic partners, a little over $2 million in outside capital. Our company has grown exponentially in terms of customers and in terms of hires since we've been here. We had 2 people when we got here. We now have 6 full-time. We have 6 multi-million and billion-dollar customers that are primarily a result of the connections that we've made here. Where I hope to go from here is to have this product in every garment on the face of the planet. That's really the goal, is why can't your health and wellness goals be achieved by the clothing you wear? That's where we think the future of this goes.